now with Money Matters, and this morning we are talking taxes, so we turn to the experts. This segment is sponsored by H&R Block, and Andy Phillips, Vice President of their Tax Institute, is here. Andy, let's start it off. You say there is help out there. You don't have to be all alone when you're doing your taxes.
That's right. So with less than a month to go till April 15th, there is nothing more important than getting that trusted tax expertise with something this important, right? And as the company that created the tax prep category 70 years ago, our 60,000 tax pros have literally seen it all. And that's how we make sure we get every single one of our clients the maximum refund guaranteed.
So what are some of the questions that people should ask when they're going to prep taxes?
Yeah, so look, receiving a tax refund is often the largest financial transaction of the year for millions of Americans. And so it's really important to get it right. The first thing your tax professional should ask you when you sit down, tell me what's changed since last year. Those life changes, whether it's getting married or having a child, those can often mean those life changes, can often mean tax changes and tax benefits. A few other questions you should think about asking is, tell me what credits and deductions I'm eligible for. How can I maximize my refund? And are there any new tax laws I need to be aware of? And so what's really important is to not just think about 2024 when you do that, use it as an opportunity to make a plan for 2025 as well.
And now, speaking of new, what are some of the new child tax credits we should look out for?
Yeah, so the child tax credit is worth up to $2,000 per eligible child under age 17, with up to $1,700 of that amount being refundable. Now, what refundable means is you can get that amount even if you don't owe any taxes. Okay. Here's another thing to emphasize. That's up to $2,000 per eligible child, meaning if you have 5 eligible kids at home, you may be looking at up to $10,000 credit. Another one to think about that people often miss is the child and dependent care credit, which is meant to help cover the cost of child care, daycare, summer camp, and related expenses, absolutely, for children under the age of 13 while the parents are either working or even looking for work. And in some cases, that can actually cover the cost of caring for a parent or a spouse if they're not able to care for themselves.
The summer camp, getting their FEIN is important. You mentioned some things that are missed in childcare, but what are others that are commonly missed?
Yeah, let's just hit a couple. So first, education credits, the American Opportunity Credit, and the Lifetime Learning Credit. Now, these are designed to help subsidize the cost of higher education for you, your spouse, or your dependents. Another commonly missed credit is the Earned Income Credit, which is a refundable credit to help working Americans make ends meet. Now there are some income limitations on that one, but a lot of folks miss out each year because they don't realize they qualify.
This is probably my favorite of the questions because it's not just about this year, but quickly tell us, you can help us with years past.
That's right. Each year, millions of people leave billions of dollars on the table in missed tax benefits. That's why at H&R Block, we offer our clients a free second look at their last 3 years' tax returns to help them identify any missed credits or deductions to help them get more of their hard-earned money back.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you. And for more tips, you can go to GMA's Instagram pages. And don't forget, tax filing deadline, April 15th.
That's right.